Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to switch silent mode on this device. So to switch silent mode, you can just go to the upper bar and switch these modes here. You have silent, you have sound, and you have vibration. So you can switch this mode just like this here, or you can press one of the volume buttons. This volume slider will appear, and you can also switch your mode here. You have the sound mode, vibration mode, and the silent mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.